Landed in Florida for the IWCA with Josh, and instantly found a gentleman. I'm sorry, sir. Found a gentleman cleaning windows with paper towels. More to come. What do we got here? Ooh. Oh, nice. Some Unger gear. Sir. Oh, sure. Squeegee.
Yes. Squeegee, got it. Squeegee.
It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a ride inside. It's your chance to wake up and plan another day.
Oh, good morning. Is it a beautiful day? It's all right. You may hear the highway in the background, which lulled me to sleep last night. IWCA Hotel was booked out, so... Oh, let me turn that off. We ended up at an overflow hotel. So we're starting our morning here. It's Overflow Hotel. I'm sure the hotel where the event is kept was a little bit nicer, but here we are, doing our best. Excited for the day. Trade show booth is set up. We are headed over there shortly and follow along. Made it to the hotel, parked outside with help from some friends, and we're in. We'll do a little setup. Give you a pre-setup walkthrough. Dieter from Mormon. Randy from Window Magic.
So you're set up and done, Alex?
Set up and done. I'll get what I can.
Every time. He doesn't want you to see it.
You signed a waiver earlier. It's a drone.
I do a little house so it's got a base too.
Day one of the trade show. Having fun. Meeting people. Shaking hands, kissing babies.
You know, I got him out.
There's Josh at work. Jersey, Josh. It's amazing. Look at him sell. Look at him go. He's unstoppable. A wealth of information. Tall, handsome. He's got it all. Always people interested in the WCR booth. We got great neighbors. Got amazing new products from Unger. They always have an awesome booth. Mormon always has an awesome booth. Check this out. Ooh, the new stuff from Mormon. A tool holder 2.0. It's going to replace that guy. Hey Jordan, can you give me another one?
What's up? Gotta give me a second. I want to run it for you. Maybe add a little soap here. Go on. window's been cleaned a couple times
A
today.
couple times.
Work your way down.
Beautiful. Look at that deluxe soap. The new, not available yet, but it's new. Awesome. Ooh, candy bar. Kevin from IPC. Sorry, I gotta open this candy bar. I gotta have it. Oh yeah. I'll go over. Fun fact, I'm vlogging because Elle wants me to vlog. But I'm having a blast.